Prove that cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Okay. So let's start. LHS equal to cos 4x. There is no formula cos 4x. So rewrite this. It is equal to cos cos 2 into 2x. Let us take this is suppose y. So it is of the form cos 2y. Okay. And we have cos 2x formula. What is cos 2x? Cos square x minus sin square x. Then 2 cos square x minus 1. Another one 1 minus 2 sin square x. And 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. You can opt any of this formula, any of the result. If you are selecting inappropriate formula from here, answer will get definitely, but you have to go through a lot of steps. So from these from these four results, we need to find out the appropriate formula. Look at here, we need sin square x and cos square x. So from this we have to select the first one and replace it here. It is cos 2x. So what is cos 2y? Cos square y minus sin square y. Now what is y? Cos square 2x minus sin square 2x. For our convenience only, we add these two steps, or directly from here you can write. Okay. Now cos square 2x is cos 2x the whole square minus sin square 2x is sin 2x the whole square. Again replace this cos 2x and sin 2x. What is cos 2x? Same formula. Cos square x minus sin square x the whole square minus. Now listen, what is sin 2x? There is a formula. What is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. It's important one. Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. So sin 2x the whole square equal to 2 sin x cos x the whole square. Let us consider this is A and this is B. So it is of the form A minus B the whole square, isn't it? Now listen, there is a formula connecting between A minus B whole square and A plus B whole square. Do you know? A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Okay, A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. So here A minus B whole square, replace this term by using this formula. So this becomes, listen, A plus B whole square minus 4AB becomes, what is A here? Cos square x plus what is B? Sin square x. So A plus B the whole square minus 4 into A. What is A? Cos square x into B. What is B? Sin square x. Okay. So this is the first term minus. Now 2 sin x cos x the whole square. Squaring. It is equal to 4 sin square x cos square x. Now cos square x plus sin square x is 1. 1 square is 1 minus, listen, these two terms, sin square x cos square x. Sin square x cos square x. Both the terms are like terms carrying same sign. Okay. Minus x form. What is minus x minus x? It is minus 2x. So minus 4 minus 4. It is minus 8. Sin square x cos square x. That's our RHS. Okay. Next question. Question number 23. Prove that tan 4x equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x plus tan raised to 4. As usual, LHS. LHS equal to tan 4x. Now think, is there any formula tan 4x? No. So we have to convert this tan 4x as 2 into 2x form. Okay. Tan 2x. Let us take this is z. So it is of the form tan 2z. Now listen, what is tan 2z or tan 2x? There is a formula. What is tan 2x? I mean 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. It's very important formula. Okay. Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So what is tan 2z? 2 tan z divided by it is z. 1 minus tan square z. Okay. Now replace this z. It is 2 tan, what is z here? 2x divided by 1 minus tan square x. That is tan square 2x. Now listen, here there is a tan 2x term. So here again we replace this formula. Before I am going to split that term as, listen, 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. Okay. 1 minus tan square 2x split into 2 terms. So this is equal to 2 into, what is tan 2x? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Divided by, now this is 1 minus tan square 2x. Tan square 2x is tan 2x the whole square. So this can be written as 1 minus, what is tan 2x? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square. It is tan 2x. So what is tan square? Square of this expression. Don't be confused. Now simplify all these things. It is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Divided by, first you have to square this expression. So this becomes 1 minus 2 tan x divided by, 2 tan square x squaring. So this becomes 4. 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Okay. 2 square tan square x. So 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Now listen, 1 minus tan square x whole square is not 1 minus tan raised to 4. Okay, please note down 1 minus tan square x whole square only. Now take this one as 1 by 1 and take cross multiplication. We can see that, listen. Take cross multiplication. Okay. So first term as such, 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. This way, minus, now 1 into 4 tan square x, 4 tan square x divided by this 2. 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Just take cross multiplication. Now take the reciprocal. So division becomes multiplication. 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into 1 minus tan square x the whole square divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square minus 4 tan square x. Now we can cancel, listen, 1 minus tan square x and 1 minus tan square x. So remaining there is 1 minus tan square x. It is x, it is x square form. So we can cancel one of the x. Now remaining 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square minus 4 tan square x. Our proof is not complete. Okay, we need some more simplification. Now this is equal to numerator we got 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x. It is okay. Look into RHS, you can see. We need some alterations here. So it is of the form a minus b the whole square. So expand it. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab 2 into 1 into tan square x plus b square tan square square, that is tan raised to 4, okay, minus 4 tan square x. This is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by, listen, 1, it is tan square x, this is also tan square x, both are like terms. So add the coefficients, minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 minus 4, it is minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. Looking to RHS side, so it is our required result. It is equal to RHS. Okay, so LHS equal to RHS. So only simplifications are here. You need to know what is tan 2x formula, tan 2x result. Okay.